The U.S. Forest Service is working on a new initiative to help fight wildfires.
The effort comes following a recent survey which found California's forests are on the decline. The agency reports more than 36 million trees died last year. That includes trees on 2.6 million acres statewide. Placer County had the greatest number, more than 3 million dead trees. Forest experts blame it on 3 years of severe drought, overgrown forest conditions, insect outbreaks, and disease. And now the USDA is working to clear out dead and diseased trees through additional money through the new federal infrastructure bill.
And we are trying to leverage that with a lot of different partners, state, private, tribal, all kinds of people, to try to do this stuff on the landscape in the right places at scale.
The initiative is part of a 10-year plan to combat high-intensity wildfires. The agency has also selected 5 new landscapes in January to get money, among them Placer County.